everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, what I'm going to attempt to do is a forge weld. I'm going to take a railroad spike and cut it down the middle, and we're going to attempt to forge weld a piece of rasp into it so we have one big, awesome knife when we're all done. It's going to be roughly like that. So I took a piece already, and I cut it down the middle, and I'm kind of flattening it out. And I'm going to stick that in there like that, and hopefully forge weld it on there. So I have a nice big knife like that. I've never really had any success forge welding, so bear with me here. I'm learning, just like you guys. Alright, be right back. So first I want to widen out the handle part just a little bit, just to get a little bit of length on there before I put it in there. Okay, get the flux on there, we'll be good to go. See, got a little flux on there. Pop that bad boy back in the fire. See? Simple borax we all use for flux. It's like $2 for a giant box. See my big old bowl full of flux? Cheap, cheap, cheap. Easy, easy, easy. Back in the fire and we'll get it together. Alright, I think I finally got her up to critical temperature here. Woo! Look at those sparks fly. Alright, I do believe we have stickage. It's always the conundrum. You can't get enough heat, and the second you get it up to freaking critical temperature heat, it starts to eat the damn metal. But I think it's stuck. My first forge weld. So chalk it up to what you will. Failure, accomplishment, I don't know. I know you're supposed to do this a couple more times, so I'll pop it back in the fire. And maybe I can bend that out and fix it. So we'll give her another go here. I don't know. Maybe it turned out okay. I might be able to do something with that. I'm going to let that normalize. At least this side looks okay. I straightened it out, so I mean, I might be able to do something with that. I don't know. It's a little thin, but I think I might be able to do something. We'll see. So I'll let this normalize, let it cool down, and work on my other project, and then I'll be back. Booyah!